I'm sleepy. Okay. So where come from? I can speak only English, Tagalog, and a little bit in Kapampangan, and a little bit in Arabic. Corey. Connie or Corey? Corey at Corey underscore 6. Thank you very much to coming here in my live stream. And thank you for supporting me here in my YouTube channel. As you always. And hopefully in the next live stream here in my YouTube channel, you are here again and you are watching and supporting me. And I can speak Arabic a little bit. Like Arabic. Salam alaikum. And then the answer is malaikum salam. So that is the great of or what do you call that? Um, yeah, how to greet your to greet people in Saudi Arabia like that. And then how to count in Arabic. Wahid, itnin, talata, arba, kamsa, sita, saba, tamanya, tisa, asara, idas, idas, itnas, talatas, arbatas, kamastas, sitas, sabatas,